1,740 lb-ft of torque, numbers that sound impossible but are real. 0. 60 in 1.85 seconds, quarter mile in 8.58, faster than a Formula One car. The acceleration is so violent it's a physical experience. But the Nevera isn't just about straight-line speed. With a motor at each wheel, it uses digital torque vectoring for agility that defies its weight. The car's brain controls power to each wheel thousands of times per second. Inside, it's sci-fi. Carbon, leather, 3 HD screens, and a passenger display showing just how fast you're going. The AI driving coach projects the ideal racing line on the HUD and gives real-time feedback, like a video game in real life. No traditional transmission, just a simple drive selector. The Nevera is a rolling tech showcase, forcing us to rethink what performance means. Is it the sound and drama of combustion, or the silent, brutal force of electrons? Rimac makes a strong case for the latter. The Nevera is one of the most significant cars of 2025. It's not just a car, it's a paradigm shift. The future of speed is silent, digital, and terrifyingly fast. If you want to know where hypercars are headed, look no further. The Rimac Nevera is the future now. It's not just engines and tires. 2025's sports cars are rolling computers. Active aerodynamics constantly adjust wings and flaps for max efficiency and grip. Predictive suspension uses cameras and sensors to read the road and pre-adjust dampers for comfort or performance. Torque vectoring, like in the Rimac, lets cars pivot and turn with agility once impossible for heavy machines. Powertrain management is now a symphony of code